to play at the park, and it is a great day to play hide and seek from all toy collectors' kids. I don't think they'll find me. They'll never find me here. Hey kids, I can't find the baby alive doll. Do you think you can help me? If you guys find it, I'll give you a surprise. Okay, so wait. On your mark. Get set, go!
Is that the baby? I found it!
Woohoo! Wyatt found the baby doll! That means he gets a special egg. Let's sit down and see what's inside. Oh boy, I wonder what's inside.
Shopkins! I'll open up the season 1 pack first. Whoops! Slippy lips! She's eating it! Time to brush her teeth. You're supposed to put it on your lips. Whoa! That came open easy. Let's see what's in bag 1. These are stretchy. Whoa. It's Danny Danish and it's coming. But we don't have the pink one yet. Yum, 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 yum. The last one. Wonder what we'll get. It's Lena Lamp, and she's ultra rare. You're a lucky baby.
Ew, eating a lamp. That doesn't sound good.
It would be a light snack. It would be a light snack.
Oh, ha, 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 ha. Wow, it looks like our baby alive doll got 3 pink Shopkins. Isn't that cool? A pink Lena Lamp, pink Danny Danish, and pink Lippy Lips. Hey, baby alive doll, were you hiding just so my kids could open up some more Shopkins? I think I'm going to run and hide again, and then we'll have to open up some more Shopkins. Wait, where are you going? Hey, AllToyCollector fans, if you would like my kids to open up more little Shopkin eggs and find the baby, please click like. And you can also write down in the comment section if you want the surprise egg Shopkins or something else. Goodbye and have a great day.